गोयल टीएमटी प्रेजेंट्स द ग्रेट इंडियन फिल्म एंड लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल यानी जिफलिफ का आयोजन किया जा रहा है। आज दूसरा और अंतिम दिन।
Like thumbs are down, by the way, everyone, thumbs down. And on the count of 3, do this with me. Like 1, 2, 3. Oh, thank you. Wow. Now everybody go like this. Zor se. Thank you. Achha, by the way, just before we start anything else here, ये आप लोगों में से I'm sure बहुत लोगों ने भरा होगा. So we gave out these papers like to most of you and asked you to write random चीज़ें. I'm sure कुछ आपने ऐसा अभद्र नहीं लिखा होगा जो मैं पढ़ ना पाऊँ यहाँ पे. But then बहुत सारे कॉलेज वाले भी हैं आज. You never know. So let's do this. I'm going to call upon Madam. Would you mind coming up on stage for a second? Give it up. Show some love. This way, please. Quickly, can I have a mic for her? Quickly. Good. All right. Hello, ma'am. क्या नाम है आपका? In the mic. What is your name? Actually, you don't have a mic right now. What is your name?
Avni Pargania.
Avni is good. Okay, good. Avni, आपने ये भरा है by the way? Did you write down something यहाँ पे? आपने भरा है? Good. Avni, pick anyone that you want. कोई सा भी एक. निकालिए. पढ़ के बताइए जरा क्या लिखा है इसमें?
Fantasy.
नहीं यार, फैंटास्टिक लिख. अरे यार, ठीक से देखो. वो मेरे को देख के लग गया होगा. I'm sure, कोई बात नहीं. So we don't need it anymore by the way. एक और निकालिए. क्या है? मेरे को भी नहीं आ रहा. महफिल शमा. ठीक है. So what I'm trying to tell you, these are all random things that you've written down. आपने लिखा है random चीजें हैं. And I had no control over it. Correct? Avni, let me do this. I want you to hold this for a second. मैं कुछ लेके आता हूँ आपके लिए. और let me just use let's use one of these envelopes, right? क्या है इसमें अवनी फिलहाल? It's an empty envelope right now, and I want you to select 3 इसमें से select one. गिराना मत. Okay, put it inside. नहीं इसमें डाल दीजिए. ठीक है, 1. That was 1. Okay. एक और. Good. Okay. एक और. 3 डाल दिया आपने. 3 random chits is what we're putting inside right now. Okay. And then I'm going to self-seal है. Seal it आपने, right? This is going to be very important somewhere at the end of the show. तो मैं इसको यहाँ पे रखता हूँ फिलहाल so that everybody can see. और मैं इसको छूने वाला नहीं हूँ. And you have to ensure कोई और इसको टच ना करे. But thank you so much. अवनी के लिए तालियां हो जाएं एक बार. So thank you अवनी by the way. लेकिन आपको मैंने इतनी दूर बुलाया, मैं वैसे भेजूंगा तो है नहीं. Let's start the show with you. Okay? Please take the mic. अवनी, what do you do by the way? क्या करते हैं आप? चल रहा है. हाँ. बोलो एक बार और. काशी क्रिएशन करते हैं आप. Okay. And हम पहली बार मिले आज. Today was the first time we met. We have not set anything up. पक्का? मैंने आपको पैसे नहीं दिए झूठ बोलने के लिए?
नहीं.
पक्की बात है? Okay. पैसे दिए तो नहीं अपनी, लेकिन मैं कुछ पैसे आपसे लेना चाह रहा था. So let's do this अपनी. I want you to think. Just go blank in your head and think about your ATM pin in your mind. हाँ. Okay. ATM पैसे वैसे है ना अच्छे खासे. Stay there. Okay. Let me just bring upon my writing pad. रेडी आपने? और किसको मालूम है आपके सिवाय आपके एटीएम पिन बाय द वे? आप किसी को नहीं पता, होना भी नहीं चाहिए. गुड. पापा को, मम्मी को?
पता है उनको, पर है.
ओके. एंड देयर इज नो वे आई वुड नो. या इनको पता होगा आपका एटीएम पिन क्या है, करेक्ट? नहीं पता किसी को भी? श्योर. ओके. यहाँ पे आइए अपनी. स्टैंड राइट हियर. आई ट्राई टू रीड हर माइंड एंड सी इफ आई कैन गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन राइट. ओके. स्टैंड राइट देयर अपनी. ओके. थैंक यू. थिंक एंड जस्ट थिंक. सिर्फ दिमाग में लाना है आपको आपका एटीएम पिन.
हाँ.
ठीक है, कुछ बोलना नहीं है. और उसके अलावा गाइस, दिस इज व्हाट आई थिंक. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, कई बार मैं गलत भी हो जाता हूँ. अरे डोंट वॉच. ओके, आई विल डू दिस गाइस. And Avni, there is no way I would know, no way anyone would know what your pin is, correct? Yes or no? हाँ. किसी को नहीं पता हो सकता, correct? Can you guys see this? Yes or no? No? No किसने बोला? अबे इतनी बड़ी लगा रखी है यार। For the very first time, Avni, what is your pin? Tell it to everyone.
111 1.
Thank you. Yes. अच्छा अब ये बताओ कार्ड कहाँ रखा है? यहीं पे?
नहीं यार
I'm just kidding. Give her a big round of applause, guys. She was amazing. Thank you so much, Avni. Please take your seat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow. ये वाला तो मैं सीख चुका हूँ, आजकल मैं वो पॉकेट मारी सीख रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा। आई एम श्योर कुछ तो फायदा हो जाएगा मेरा भी। Okay, guys, let's try a mind reading experiment with all of you right now. सबके साथ। So, I want all of you, जैसे मैं अगर बोलता कि guys, think about your favorite destination. तो I'm sure आपके दिमाग में कुछ आएगा, right? All of you think about your favorite destination. You have something? Good enough. Now, I want it to be random, ठीक है? So let's change it to somewhere else, like somewhere that you would want to go maybe. Change your mind. You have something else? Fine, na? So some place came to your head, now you've changed it to something else, correct? Huh? Good, okay. Let's see who's going to, work for this, by the way. What is your name, by the way? No, please sit, please sit. Let's try it with probably you, madam, right there. Yeah, please come. What is your name? Sorry? Please come, Shiva. Shivangi, Shivani. Applause, applause, applause. Shivangi, Shivani. Shivangi, hi. Please come on up. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करें शिवांगी जी का. Hi. Take the mic. Shivangi, so when I said, I'm sure you have been thinking of a place, आपके दिमाग में एक जगह है, correct? And there's no way, किसी को बताया तो नहीं आपने बगल में बैठ के भी, नहीं? That's okay. I'll try and guess it, by the way. Please come here, यहाँ खड़े हो जाइए. Face the audience. And Shivangi, again the same question. मैंने आपको पैसे तो नहीं दिए झूठ बोलने के लिए? पैसे नहीं दिए, obviously. She's laughing, हाँ? ठीक है, okay, it's fine. Close your eyes and just think about this place in your head. Okay, so there are two places, right? एक तो आपके पहले दिमाग में जो आया होगा और एक जो आपने बाद में सोचा. Okay, guys, do not open your eyes, okay? Do not open your eyes. I'll do this. Okay, it's a big name. Yes or no, Shivangi? बड़ा सा नाम है कुछ? Okay, it's fine. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I hope you could understand what I've written. मेरे को खुद समझ में नहीं आ रहा, by the way. Can you guys see this? Yeah, I'm sure you can. Shivangi, open your eyes, and for the very first time, tell everyone what was the place. No, there was some other place I was getting. Like, you had two places in your mind, right? What was the other place? जोर से एक बार और. मेरी तो जान निकाल दी थी भाई. But thank you again, that was amazing. Give it up for Shivangi, guys. Thank you so much. Please take your seat. Achha, guys, I'll tell you this also, by the way. I have very less time today and a lot of things to show you. ठीक है? So cooperate. जल्दी बुलाऊं, जल्दी आना, जल्दी भागना, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी. All right? I don't want to miss on anything. Now then, let's play a game. Let's play a game, and for that game, I'm going to need 6 people actually. 6 लोग चाहिए मुझे. So, would you mind coming, ma'am? Right there, yeah? Yeah, please come. 6 people, jaldi. 1, 2, yeah, come. देखो 6 ही आना है यार, बड़ी दिक्कत हो जाएगी नहीं तो. भागो! That was fun. Hi, what is your name? Your name is? Mariam. Hi, Abhishek.
Hi, I'm शर्मा जी का लड़का.
अरे शर्मा जी का लड़का आ गया भाई. अरे भैया भाभी को नहीं लाए. Hi, Abhishek. Hi. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more. Who would want to come? You would want to come? Yes, please. I'll call you again. I'm so sorry, huh? Thank you, sir. So maybe the second time. Thank you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 करेक्ट? ओके, सो गेम ऐसा है, बड़ा सिंपल सा गेम है. आई लेट यू विन माई मनी. सो मैं अपने पैसे दाव पे लगाऊंगा एंड देन यू हैव अ चांस टू विन माई मनी. ओके, यू कांट. ओके, सो द गेम इज वेरी सिंपल. मेरे पास 1000 रुपए हैं यहाँ पे, और लाइक $1000, 2 नोट हैं 500 के. एंड मैं करूँगा क्या बताता हूँ आपको. आई गिव इट टू वन ऑफ यू राइट नाउ, लाइक वन ऑफ यू, नॉट ऑब्वियसली. थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम कम करेंगे. लेट्स हाँ, ओके, मैं दोबारा बताता हूँ आपको. सो आई विल गिव माई मनी टू, लेट्स सपोज आई गिव इट टू यू राइट नाउ. ओके, आप ले लो. हाँ, रखना नहीं जेब में. एंड देन हियर्स व्हाट यू हैव टू. मैं घूम जाऊंगा एंड यू हैव टू मेक अ हडल. 6 मिलके एक हडल बना लेना. एंड देन यू गाइज डिसाइड हु वांट्स टू कीप इट एंड ऑल ऑफ यू विल कम आउट लाइक सो. ठीक है? सो वन ऑफ यू विल हैव माई मनी. 5 लोगों के पास खाली हाथ होंगे. बट देन योर जॉब इज टू कीप पोकर फेस सो दैट आई डोंट नो हु हैज माई मनी. गुड, गुड इनफ. 2 नोट हैं, अलग अलग मत करना फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, और जेब में डालना नहीं, वो मैंने कई बार देख लिया है. ठीक है? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट यू मैम. आई विल गिव इट यू राइट नाउ. नाउ यू गाइस फॉर्म अ हडल. टेक द माइक इफ यू वांट, ना. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू गो देयर. I won't look, I promise. Ensure nobody knows what it is. अरे मैं कौन सा यार करने जा रहा हूं भाई, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? लेट मी नो व्हेन यू रेडी. बाय द वे, थोड़ा जूम करना भाई, अंदर देखूं किसके पास है. गाइस आई कैन सी. अरे यार उधर जूम मत कर भाई, उधर ले ले यार. आई कैन सी एवरीथिंग यहाँ पे. इट्स टेम्पटिंग. आई वोंट लुक बाय द वे, आई लुक एट यू बाय द वे. ओके, दिस वे इट्स ओके. आई गिव यू 10 seconds नाउ.
So we are ready.
यू रेडी?
Yeah.
उनको नहीं पता ना किसके पास है. डू यू गाइस नो? यू गाइस नो? यू डोंट नो? कैमरामैन को तो पता चल ही गया होगा. पता चल गया? डू यू गाइस वांट टू चेंज इट? यू हैप्पी? ओके, स्टेप यहाँ पे थोड़ा. हाँ, एवरीबडी गो लाइक सो. I'll ask you questions, you say no to everything. Just say no. Anything I say. Do you have my money, yes or no? Just say no. Just say no, that's it. No. Okay, good. Do you have my money, Mariam?
No.
You don't know. Okay, that's fine. Do you have my money, sir? You don't know, okay. Madam, do you have my money? Okay, good. Do you have my money? No. Okay. Do you have my money? Good liars. I'll try it one more time. Do you have my money, sir?
No.
Good. Do you have my money?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do you have my money?
That's what you need to check.
Good. Smart, huh? Do you have my money, madam?
No.
You don't? Do you have my money? And do you have my money? Okay, good. I don't know if you were able to guess, but let's try it with elimination. So, I think, ma'am, you definitely don't have my money. Show them your empty hand. Applause. Please take your seat. Thank you. Please take your seat, ma'am. Thank you so much. You can sit. Oh, no, you can sit, ma'am. You can sit. Huh? Please. Thank you so much. So, by elimination, we'll try it. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Adarsh.
आदर्श. ये झूठा है यार. खाली हाथ तेरा. खाली हाथ दिखाओ. खाली हाथ दिखाओ. खाली हाथ दिखाओ. खाली खाली खाली. Open. Go sit. Thank you. Thank you. That was nice. Mariam, give me a good yes or no. Do you have it? Okay. Do you have it? Okay. Do you have it? Okay. Do you have it? कहाँ फंसा दिया यार आज तो. Here's the thing. You don't have my money. Open your. You don't have my money. Thank you. Please sit. Please sit. Wow. All right. 2 to go. Come this way. Mariam, come. Stand right here. Come, sir. Stand right here. Face them. I think. चलो अगर मैं हार गया तो 500 तुम्हारे, 500 तुम्हारे. दोनों की पार्टी है. अगर मैं जीत गया तो मेरे को दे देना यार. हाँ? Look in the front. I think that my money is Can I please have my money back? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Give it a big, oh sorry, give them a big round of applause. तो यार वैसे भी पैसे में छोड़ता नहीं अपने. Do you guys want to see some more? Shall we try something really, really interesting? Let's take it to another level this time. Okay? I need to find the right person for this. Any husband, wife here, or brother, sister? Brother, sister? Husband, wife? Please come. Please come, please come. Applause! Okay. Please come, please come. Sir, what is your name, by the way? Suhas. And Mrs. Suhas, Kalpana. Hi Suhas, how are you? Hello madam. So आज क्या होगा ना सुहास? नहीं वो नहीं पूछूंगा. नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं. So how long has been the marriage?
6.5 years.
6.5 years? Wow. So you must have a great connection, right? I'm sure you do. We'll check it. By the way, we are going to check the connection today. आज मालूम चल जाएगा सब कुछ. Stand right here, Suhas. Kalpana, right? Please come. Please stand right here. I'll take the mic from you. Clear नहीं आ रहा? Am I clear, guys? Am I audible? Yes? चलिए, आपको शायद difficulty आ रही है इसकी वजह से. Here's the experiment. Here's the thing. मैं अभी आपको आंखें बंद करने को बोलूँगा दोनों लोगों को. आप दोनों लोगों की करो यार, monitor on. So what I'm trying to tell you is, I will ask you to close your eyes.
Yes.
Both of you. Suhas, okay? Not now, not now. And then I want you to be aware of all the sensations. Like I'm going to touch you maybe on the head or the hand, okay? But you have to keep a very poker face and stand still and just keep, counting. कि अच्छा हाथ पे 2 बार हो गया, सर पे 3 बार, whatever it is. Just make a mental note of everything. दिमाग में आपको ध्यान रखना है. मैं सवाल पूछूंगा, आपको जवाब देना है. So I'll just ask you to raise your hand. जब भी बोलूँगा तो आपको बताना है. ठीक? As simple as that. आपको समझ में आया क्या बताया मैंने? I hope आ गया हो. हाँ जी? हाँ. Same thing, sir. आप दोनों की आंखें बंद हो जाएंगी अभी. And then I'm going to touch you यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे, यहाँ पे. And you don't react to anything. I'll ask you questions. I'll ask you to raise your hand simply with my questions. And just raise your hands accordingly. That's it. So don't say anything, don't open your eyes, don't do anything. ठीक है? थोड़ा सा मैम इधर. Both of you look at me. And you have to close your eyes on the count of 3. Like 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes, both of you. Fantastic. Now keep your eyes closed, but still stay aware of all the sensations that you feel. Just stay aware of everything that happens to you. And just tell me this. If you felt a touch, just raise your right hand. Kavita? Kalpana, you कर सकते हैं. I'll show it to all of you. Remember the card, okay? Good? Perfect. Ma'am, do you know what the card was, by the way?
Yeah.
आपने देखा था कार्ड कौन सा था? नहीं. Good. Now, because you guys are connected, I want you to find his card. Can you do it? That's okay. Now look, these are all different cards. एक कार्ड उन्होंने पिक किया. उनको पता है कौन सा कार्ड है. सबको पता है कौन सा कार्ड है. But you have no idea. Correct? I want you to look at him for a second. ये प्यार वाला कनेक्शन काम कर जाएगा. And do this, ma'am. I'm going to riffle through. कहीं भी stop बोलना है आपको. जहाँ आपको लगे उनका कार्ड हो सकता है. Just say stop. And ensure I stop where she says. ठीक है?
Stop.
Right there?
Yeah.
पक्का? You've stopped me here, ma'am.
Yeah.
Correct? पक्का? Happy? मैंने कोई गोची तो नहीं करी? Okay, so this should be his card because you've stopped me here. And if ये उनका card होगा, the people will go wild. You should be happy about it. I will be happy about it. They'll give you a big, big, big round of applause. Okay? दिखाना नहीं है किसी को आपको. Just don't show it to anyone. Okay? Keep it on you. For the very first time, sir, what was your card, by the way? कौन सा card था? कौन सा card था? 9 of Hearts. Madam, can you show us what the card is that you picked? The 9 of Hearts, ladies and gentlemen. So thank you for participating. Thank you. Please take your seat. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, that was good. That was actually good. All of you go like this. Nisha. Now do this. This is very important, huh? Good. Now here's the thing, guys. Listen to me very carefully. I think you can. I'm audible nicely, correct? Good. Take your 2 fingers here. First 2. I'll do it here so that everybody can see. Okay. Now stretch it apart, just like so. Done? Done? Okay, now I want you to look here in the middle, okay? Just look here in the middle. And think about a general force. Like a force. Think about this force pulling these 2 fingers together. Okay, just think about it and you will see it just wants to move itself. Just think about a force and you might just feel it and let me know when it sticks. It did? जिनका हुआ please stand up. जिनका हुआ please stand up, okay? Good. अब इतने लोगों में से जिनको एक रूबिक्स क्यूब सॉल्व करना आता है वो लोग बैठ जाएं, जिन्होंने कभी सॉल्व किया हो रूबिक्स क्यूब. जिनको आता हो वो बैठ जाएं, जिनको नहीं आता हो वो खड़े रहें प्लीज. नहीं, इज्जत वाली बात नहीं है, खड़े रह सकते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. You know how to solve a cube? You don't know? Okay. But you're a volunteer of mine, so I don't know if I should use you. Let's try it with... You want to try it? No, you don't. No. Let's try it with... अरे यार ऐसे. Sir, let's try it with you. Please come. What is your name? तो सर आपने कभी सॉल्व नहीं किया क्यूब, करेक्ट? अभी है तो बताएंगे. Please come so quickly. Yes. Hi, Abhishek. So give me a good answer. कितना टाइम लगेगा आपको उसको सॉल्व करने में, by the way? You don't know how to solve a cube, right? So आप ऐसे भी नहीं कर पाएंगे until unless. I'm sure it'll take some time. So I'll not give you this. This is an unsolved cube, if you would. It's an unsolved. We don't need it anymore, by the way. I'll keep it here. But मैं आपको देता हूँ cube solved. This is a solved cube, guys. Right? It's a solved one. Correct? And even I don't know how to solve a cube. To be very frank, मेरे को ज़्यादा आता नहीं इतना. Solve तो नहीं कर सकते, खराब तो कर सकते हैं. I'm sure कर सकते हैं. हाँ, खराब करने में तो मास्टर हैं सारे लोग ही. चलिए सर आइए यहाँ पे. I'll give you 10 seconds. 10 सेकंड में सर आपको you have to just scribble. हाँ, कुछ भी गिराना नहीं सर, बस whatever you want, है ना? Okay. I'm just trying to remember. Okay. और सर okay. So generally a Rubik's cube is one of the oldest puzzles. There are more than 43 quintillion possibilities. So अगर एक बंदा 1 सेकंड में एक बार भी चेंज करे ना तो पूरी लाइफ टाइम निकल जाएगी. You will not be able to get all the combinations. That is a really interesting fact about a cube. खराब हो गया सर? गुड सर, गुड. अब चलिए ठीक करके दीजिए वापस. और क्या? अरे ठीक करके देना है और क्या? It's difficult, right? I know, sir, it's difficult. Diptendu. But here's very cool thing, sir. I don't know if you've... Please wait. I don't know if you were able to solve it, but here's something really cool. मेरे पास एक क्यूब था, मैंने दिखाया था आपको. And I don't know, sir. I'm not really sure. But here is something really cool that happened. 43 quintillion possibilities. You have to watch it on the stage, by the way. अगर एक भी side match कर जाएगा with the cube I had, that would be great. Yes or no? 43 quintillion, huh? Watch this, guys. One of the side actually does match. Huh? So, sir, आपने उसको खराब नहीं किया. You were actually able to solve it in a different way. Correct? Not just one, sir. How about 3? How about 4? Sir, how about a 5th side? And how about a bloody 6th side? Good? Fantastic, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you for solving this cube, sir, by the way. मतलब thank you, आपने इसको solve कर दिया मेरे लिए. But इनको खुशी नहीं हुई. मतलब they're happy, I know, but इनको खुशी है, इनको लगा यार solve करके बताएंगे आप इसको. So let's try that as well. And sir, आपने कहा you've never solved a cube, correct? Sir, you have to stand right here now, okay? No, you can stay right there. And sir, by the way, let me just tell you something really cool about this thing. So generally, आप कैसे solve करेंगे? You have to do this like 1, 2, and correct? You've tried many times, okay, so you know the pain. But sir, I wanted to try something really different this time. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप सामने सॉल्व ना करें, and all you have to do is this. आपको उसको अपने पीछे लेना है, अभी नहीं, हाथ के पीछे रखना, बॉडी के पीछे रखना है, and just do this. Can you do this, sir? Just this. Just this. Can you do it? Sure? थोड़ा पीछे आ जाइए sir. I don't want anybody to look. Stand right here, sir. हाथ पीछे करिए. Good. बिल्कुल हल्के हल्के सर. हाँ. Good, 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 good. Turn it, good. जब आपका मन करे आप स्टॉप कर दें. Whenever you feel like stopping, you can tell me. Whenever you want to stop, just tell me I want to stop. You want to stop? Please stop right there. Now here's a very cool thing, guys. I don't want to say much. Sir, आपको देखना नहीं है. I want you to take it right over your head and do this and show it to everyone. Take a look. That was amazing. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. That was brilliant. Give it up. Show some love, guys. That was actually incredible. Actually incredible, sir. Thank you so much. Learn it. It's a good thing. I think I'm short on time now, unfortunately. I'm short on time. Lekin I have some questions for you. When jahan bhi jata hu na, I ask people a lot of things. So let me ask you a question, everyone. I saw this dream. मैंने पता नहीं पहले ही बताया था एक ड्रीम के बारे में अपने. So I keep on watching these dreams. सपने अपने बहुत आते हैं. But I actually want you to be a part of this dream this time. So let's do this. Let's suppose मैं अपने ड्रीम में I'm trying to go for a vacation. ठीक है? I'll pick random people. ठीक है? And you have to tell me, answer some questions. So random कैसे करूँ मैं इसको? Let me see. Guys, I'm going to throw this card somewhere. I hope कहीं चला जाए बीच में. जिसको मिलेगा आप खड़े हो जाना, ठीक है? Let's. Somebody got it? Please stand up. Thank you. Can we get a mic for her, Ashutosh? That was impressive. ना ऐसा फेंक करके इतनी दूर. I know. Madam, what is your name? Please tell me. Abhaya? Huh? Abhaya, I want you to think of a place, like any place in the world that you would want to go on a vacation. Got it? What is it? Tell us the place.
Maldives.
Maldives. Have you been there? Maldives.
No.
Maldives. Maldives, I guess, huh? Maldives is the place. All right, good. ठीक है, Abhaya, select someone else. Like, point to someone at random. Point to someone at random.
That guy sitting over there.
Please take the mic to them. That boy, which boy? That's a girl, yaar. Acha. Okay, good. What is your name, sir?
राम.
Huh?
राम.
Ram? Okay. राम को मालदीव जा रहा हूँ मैं. सीता के साथ जाऊँगा तो है नहीं.
छोड़ दो मेरे लिए.
तो मेरे को बता दो किसके साथ जाना चाहिए. किसके साथ? Give me a random name, like anyone in the world. अगर आपको जाना हो तो आप किसके साथ जाते हैं? Parents मत बोल देना. Let's try something interesting, हाँ?
Name?
हाँ, give me a name. Superstar, celebrity, whatever you want.
नेहा.
नेहा के साथ? आइए नेहा.
नहीं आइए ना, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ.
वाइफ है? पड़ोसी की बीवी है, ठीक है.
बच्चा हूँ अभी, बच्चा.
अरे माइंड रीडर हूँ भाई, सब पता है मेरे को. Just kidding, हाँ. So नेहा के साथ, correct? Okay, Ram, I want you to point to someone else now. Random, किसी पे भी, हाँ.
That girl, the raising hand.
चलो, let's take the mic to you, right? So we're going to Maldives with Neha. And now, madam, what is your name? Sorry?
Malsri.
Malsri? Okay, Malsri. So ठीक है, okay. तो मैं फॉरेक्स कार्ड लेके जाऊँगा. तो डॉलर लेके जाऊँगा यार, obviously. So what do you think? How much money should I take? Give me a random, any figure you want. A random. कितने पैसे होने चाहिए? Anything that you want. कितने लेके जाते आप जाते तो?
1.5 lakhs cash.
1.5 lakhs. अरे मैं तो कार्ड लेके जाऊँगा अपना. आप कैश ले जाओ, कोई बात नहीं यार. मोदी जी की सरकार है, समझते नहीं आप लोग. 1.5 lakhs. Correct? Good, okay. Now I'll keep it here for now. So this is a trip. अब मैं अपनी बीवी को बताऊंगा कि मेरे को जाना है. नेहा के साथ नहीं जाऊंगा खैर. Okay, thank you so much by the way. Let's have the lights up if you would, you know. Lights ऊपर करें. I want to see everyone here. Good. Now guys, as I said, I'll come back to it in a moment. But for now, envelope पड़ा यहाँ पे. I want 3 people, like 3 people quickly, to come on stage. Whoever wants to come, just come. इनको तो पहले ही मालूम था. 1, 2, and 1 more person if you would. Hello, sir. What is your name?
Aditya Agrawal.
Aditya. Hi, Abhishek. Mariam. Okay, Mariam. And sir. Oh my God. Hi. इनकी सांस फूल गई, इनको रुकते हैं थोड़ा. ठीक है. And you can wait right here for me. I'll use you. Just wait right here. Good. थोड़ा दूर हो जाइए. Let's open this thing. भैया निकले. Hold it hand. Both hands. 3 आगे, तीनों आगे ना. Perfect. Good. Do this. What is your name? भूमि. एक इनको दे दीजिए, एक आप रख लीजिए, एक मरियम को दे दीजिए. आदित्य के पास एक है, मरियम के पास एक है और भूमि के पास एक है. राइट. दूर दूर हो जाओ आप लोग और पढ़ लो उस पे क्या क्या लिखा है. बताना मत एक दूसरे को, मुझे भी नहीं बताना. जस्ट डोंट टेल इट टू एनीवन. पढ़ लिया? गुड. सो शी इज डूइंग इट राइट नाउ. 3 रैंडम थिंग्स फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू. अच्छा, कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं लिखा जो नहीं बोल सकते यहाँ पे? श्योर? इज्जत वाली बात है. श्योर? हाँ ठीक है. ओके. गुड. Where's my pad? The pad is right there, by the way. Look at me, sir. Just look at me. Look at me, Bhumi. Look at me. Good. I think one. एक के पास there's this name. आप में से किसी ने अपना नाम लिख के दिया है. And that name is नया नहीं रे पागल हट. The name is Suresh या Ramesh. Ramesh, Suresh. Who has Ramesh? Somebody? You have Ramesh? Fantastic. Show it to everyone. Thank you. Ramesh, और शक्ल ही बनाइए अपनी, है ना? Well, thank you, Ramesh. Thank you, sir. Please take your seat.
आपके साथ में पिन वाला करना है.
पिन वाला करना है. पैसे हैं अकाउंट में? हाँ, फिर कर लेंगे पिन वाला. चलो. Let's try the other one. Okay, so both of you just look at me for a second. This is going to be interesting. So your name was? Aditya? Aditya. Both of you look at me. Look at me. Somebody. Who's Batman? You Batman? Batman? Okay, girls, Batman. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you. Thank you. Now let's make it really interesting. Also, thank you so much. I'm glad you're liking it. Really interesting से मतलब है कि you know what's written, right? Don't tell it to me. Just keep it on you, and we'll try to find the person किसने लिखा है यहाँ पे, whatever it is. Get the lights on. Get the lights on if you would. Everybody stand up. Like everybody, please stand up. Sorry for the trouble. And then we try to find the person who's written it. Come here, Bhumi. Come with me. Don't give it to me, okay? Just come with me. Come. Let's try to find the person. This is gonna be good. All right, okay. What do you think? कौन से वाले में होंगे? Which row? You have no idea. That's okay. Let me see. I think. Come. Don't fall, huh? You guys can sit. First row can sit. Second row can sit. Thank you. Come quickly, huh? Quickly. Now this is gonna be good, yaar. Back. This side can sit. सारे लोग बैठ जाइए. This side. This side. Yes, man, I told you I'm afraid of. Absolutely, sir. You should be. This This row can sit. Everybody sit down. Everybody sit down. Everybody sit down. Man, this is going to be difficult, huh? नहीं सर, आप तो नहीं लग रहे मेरे को. Everybody sit down here. अरे कोई तो होगा. मेरे को देखा था. Sit down. Sit down. This side, sit down. Somebody from here. That side can also sit. Please, everybody sit down. These people can stand. I wish. I hope. सब लोग बैठ जाइए यहाँ पे. I think this might just be really interesting. Sir, आप तो नहीं होंगे, I'm sure. This row can sit. Like sit down. Everyone sit down. Sit down, please. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You should sit down. You two stand, sir. You two stand. खड़े रहिए. You two stand. बाकी लोग बैठ जाइए. आप दोनों खड़े रहें सर. आप दोनों खड़े रहें. Ma'am, you can sit, हाँ? कितने लोग बचे? 4. It should be one of them, हाँ? It could be anyone, right? Both of you sit down. Sir, you stand. Keep standing, huh? You keep standing. Your shirt का color है कैसा? You sit down, sir. 2 बज गए. You sit down. 1 and 2. Shit, I've done so well right now. I don't want to mess this up. Sit down, sir. I don't know. I'm just trying, huh? Sir, हाँ या ना आपने एक नाम लिखा है. हाँ या ना बस लिखा है. किसी का हाँ लिखा है नाम? आपने लिखा है कि पहले पर्ची ये बता दो. लिखा है. Thank God. So far so good. You have a name here. Don't tell it to anyone. Yes or no, sir? आपने कविता लिखा है. Thank you, thank you. Whoa, thank you so much. And oh, thank you. I'm glad you're liking it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wow, thank you again. I hope you loved it. मतलब आपको पसंद नहीं? Oh, thank you. Wow. Yay! Thank you so much. You're right here, sir, huh? Okay, all right, okay. कविता भी आ गई, सब कुछ हो गया. So we are almost done, but then there was this thing I wanted to show you at the end. So thank you, sir. Thank you. Guys, I don't know if you remember. I'm sure you remember, by the way. This was a random trip, right? This was a random. मतलब आपने बनाया अभी मालदीव. किसी ने बोला, किसी ने नेहा बोला, किसी ने बोला 1.5 लाख. आप कैश वाले थे ना? कौन कैश? मैं तो कार्ड वाला हूँ. खैर. But here's the thing, guys. यहाँ आने से पहले I had an intuition, like prediction बनाया मैंने एक. So I made a video of myself. उसमें मैंने कुछ लिखा वीडियो में. And I know where it's going. So let me just show you the video of what I wrote. Can we have the video quickly? I hope we have the video. Yes or no? Let's pause it, huh? Let's pause it and I'll let everybody hear it. My trip to Maldives with Neha could not have been better. P.S. 1.5 lakh wala card. Guys, I bloody lost it. Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. I am really happy I was here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Abhishek Acharya, thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. And I'm so sorry.